Oh, that's awesome. On time. Yes, sir. You are. All right, good. Got that over there. You think a computer could tell you like how much delay there is between your broadcast and how it's being broadcast? I mean, I guess you could set that up in addition to, but it should be fairly easy. So yeah, Lockheed Martin's up almost $10 in pre-market. On the fact that, whoops, well, hang on, let me go live on TikTok as well. Yep. So anyway, the markets in Europe and Asia were up, and we were too. However, we pulled back and broken down a little bit, and we're pretty close to Friday's close. Let's go take a look at SPY. We're still in this zone 4 area, for which the next zone starts at 430, if you want to remember it easily. 430. It's kind of like 429-ish, but 430 is resistance on SPY. It looks like the market decline was broad this morning, not particularly value or growth, but broad. And energy is down, XLE, a bit, but oil hitting a low of 102.5 is back up to about almost 106 dollars a barrel right now. 106. I want to see what 102 divided by 20. $5.10 a gallon at the pump minimum in 2 weeks. So, but I think we're finally declining because that hit like $5.80 at one point. I think even 6 something at one point. So we're finally declining. It's gonna be hot at the pumps for the next 2-3 weeks. But it was already going up. Even before the Ukraine Russia incident have started. It was, I don't know, mid 3s, 4. So inflation was in effect, and we're just normalizing right now after having spiked due to supply shock. So that doesn't seem to have affected the market much right now. Oil, change in oil prices. It's like Bitcoin's at about 39,000. Financials are up, and rates are up quite a bit. Rates are up quite a bit, and that's probably why financials are pumping. And so that puts a lot of pressure on growth stocks. So we should see the Qs be under pressure today. And growth. So SPY G, if you want to monitor it or short it, SPY G is growth. Looks almost exactly like the Qs, QQQ when you look at it on the chart. SPY G and QQQ. SPY V value holding a little bit more strongly, still bullish, but mostly sideways, but just a smidge bullish on SPY V. So you could have been making money if you sold all your growth stocks at the top on January 4th as signaled, and made sure you moved it all into defensives, and you'd actually be up just in keeping your cash in something that's not deteriorating. And you need to appreciate your cash right now because it's depreciating at the rate of inflation, which is nearing 10%. And I believe even with rate hikes, it could hit 15% in April, just because it's too late. They should have started raising rates in November. Not much you can do about it. All right, and then this morning in the momentum market, we've got TRQ, which posted good earnings, and they're up from $20 to almost $27 and grinding up very beautifully. Really nice ascending stair-stepping going on in the pre-market on TRQ. We got NKTR, which I forget what the news was there, but I think it was ER, bad ER. Went from $11 roughly to $5 roughly and is bleeding out. MULN, which I'm going to call MULN, was at 135 at the close on Friday and is now hitting the 180s. So that's a pretty strong penny stock momentum play. DOCU posted, Chris, what would you say for the earnings on DOCU? Positive, negative, how were the guidance? What was the guidance on that? It's looking like it's neutral based on the reaction I'm seeing. MKD up a little bit pre-market with a lot of possibility. Closed at 16 cents on Friday, hit almost 26 cents in pre-market, but it's pulled back to about 21 cents, but it is stair-stepping upward nicely. Agri above WAP and moving up in stair-stepping pattern. Also AGRI closed at about 320 on Friday, spiked all the way to 420. This morning's down to 380. So those are potentials, and you'd be looking for, in most cases, break of the pre-market high as your signal. Chris says lower guidance on growth on DOCU. Okay, very good. Yep, AGRI. If you guys over there on TikTok want to come check out our trading group, all you got to do is click the link in my profile. You got to exit this live, go over to my profile and click the link, and you can come right in and come check it out. All right. So, yes, that's where we're at with the market. Gold is down to $1965 an ounce. It's been trading about $40 a day in range lately. So that could go either way, depending on how the day goes. With rates up and financials up and inflation therefore up and growth down, under the pressure, gold may grind up today. Yeah, all the oil trades are pretty much over. We've got our shorts cocked and ready. We're ready to take them at any time here. And that includes chemical, fertilizer, agricultural stocks, which may be triggering short this week. It'll be interesting to see how the market reacts on Wednesday to our first rate hike in a long time. Yeah, regarding HUSA, HUSA, like I just said, oil stocks are not in play anymore. Maybe there'll be some little aftershocks, but we don't play aftershocks. We play the big ones. Boom. All right, we've got 9 minutes until the market opens. And market makers and institutionals will probably be playing it safe until Wednesday's rate hike. But if Lockheed Martin does indeed receive orders for 35 F-35s of varying types, that's 85 million in revenue per plane, which equates to an increase of $1.54 in their earnings per share on 14% gross margins. On an annualized basis, that will put their growth at, was it 23%, I believe, is what I calculated. And it will, at the PE of 16, puts a new target on Lockheed Martin at $524.80. $524.80 based on these orders. And that doesn't even include some additional planes that Germany said they might order. So that's kind of the minimum, 525, if you want to call it that. Just hit toss. LMT News just hit toss. Yeah. So make sure you cut your shorts on LMT depending on how it moves around during the first minute, 2 minutes, maximum 5 minutes of the market open. Hello, good morning. Thank you. I know, I love it. I love it. MTV. All right, so we've got 7 minutes 59 seconds to the open, and we're pretty much ready for it here. I'll pull up LMT on the high-speed setup, and Cameron will let us know if there's anything that we missed popping or halting during the broadcast. I'm going to make him co-host right now, along with RJ and Chris. If any of you need something to be said or noticed, simply turn on your video camera, and then that'll get my attention, and then I will allow you to unmute. It's a button I have to push. So you get my attention over video. You can come on now and just be on if you want to co-host with me. That's fine. Or come on when you need to let me know something and get my attention. Whoever's shy, this is your chance to work on that. Practice makes perfect. All right, 6 minutes until the market opens. I was just asked, what do I think about Moderna? Wow. Yeah, that's what I show. I mean, what? What do you think about Moderna? I mean, you see which way that chart goes, right? Stay short. Looks like it can test the 50 sometimes. Stay under the 50 until noted otherwise. And really, you're late to the show. You should have been short for a long time now. TMC, the metals company. Yeah, let me take a look at if there's been any. Yeah, I'm not really seeing too much institutional support going on in that. That's all just a little bit of hype and pump and dump going on TMC. At least it doesn't have institutional support, so we wouldn't get in that because it just doesn't have the ability to skyrocket. However, hey, $2 to $3, that'd be great. certainly we can watch it for day trading. Too late to enter MULN this morning? Let me see. I don't think so, but let me look at the chart here. Yeah, it depends on for what purpose. For a day trade, no, but you should wait until it breaks 188, and then you can get in for 10 cents of risk. If you'd like to learn more about trading, I have video classes that you can take. And if you're interested, just write me a private message and I'll send you the link if you're interested in learning more about trading. All types. Day trading, high frequency trading, swing trading. Just send me a private message on TikTok is where I'm talking to right there. All right, we've got 3 minutes until the open. And it looks like LMT, yeah, is putting in prints at 449.50, surprisingly low volume. Institutions probably will be buying on the dips. You know that some of them have to get in. I really don't know, Saeed, but yeah, I mean, there'll be a pullback at some point, but will it be after it gets way up? I'll be watching the options pricing on it. New profit target on LMT, $525. That's based on selling only 35 F-35 jets at 14% margin. M Gold, wait and see. That's an IPO and an IPO day 2. We have a special way we play IPOs. You can learn all about it. I think there's 7 to 10 different methods of trading IPOs in my video lessons. So if you're interested in that, just send me a private message asking for the link to the video lessons and I'll get it to you. Yeah, if you want to learn how to do day trading or any kind of trading, send me a private message and we'll talk. You can also come check out our trading group right now. Just go over to the link in my bio and click the link in my bio. That'll bring you right into our trading group. You guys on TikTok, if you click the link in my bio, you can come on over to our trading group. Check it out. All right, we've got 55 seconds until the open. Again, we're watching TRQ, NKTR, LMT, of course, MULN, DOCU, MKD, and Agri, primarily. And then I have a lot of other things on alert, and AUVI, also AUVI, showing some strength. There we go, 20 seconds to the open. Five, four, three, two, one. I got an alert right away. A lot of uranium stocks, Matador, CVX, Okay, we'll have to see if that continues. NUE. NUE, no, I don't want that. Moss. Okay, I'm going to try to put in my order to sell LMT, but I don't know, I think it might be locked up at the moment. We'll see what happens. Yeah, I put it in as a market order. It's still locked up. That should be illegal, man. All right, HP short, it's a swing. HP short. A swing 100 starter. That's short though, so that's different than some of you are used to. Getting all kinds of alerts. Yeah, I have my market order to sell. I was just talking about that, Chris. I said that should be illegal. Did you hear what I said about that? Yeah. Yep. All right, let's look at some more here. I got that alert out. Moss, MOS, also short. Moss, MOS, swing 100. Tesla dropping like a ton of bricks. Dropping 20 points all just right already. All the uraniums short. All these triggered. You, Roy, URG. All right. Wow. What's up with Devin? That's quite the breakdown. Don't know if we'll get enough short out of that. I like vet more. Yeah. Short on vet. And short on Matador. I think that's all of them at the moment. And remember to increase them as they increase. CF also, I don't have that alert hitting me. Yeah. Yep. CF. Let's short CF. Really like this one. So that must mean that NTR is on its way as well. It could be that because they opened below that point. Oh, ADM. I really like this. Let's take a look at that. Really like this short on ADM. I did get, yeah, I did get my fill on LMT at the appropriate price, which was not great. But just so you know, I did. They did finally open that up. Chris, if possible, you come on video. Sometimes I'm doing a lot of this, and I would be able to hear you. Well, I don't know how you're feeling. I know you were sick. And then, wow, actually, look at LMT has actually pulled back. I don't know if you already sold yours, Chris.
Yeah, that kind of hurt.
But there's your pullback.
I sold mine.
Your
Got
institutionals
filled.
are going to eat that up.
Sold mine, got it filled, but I tried to box it in, and I got some
And that's
shares.
why we wait the 5-minute rule.
Yeah.
I wasn't looking. Hopefully, you used the 5-minute rule. Just sold. Okay. Shares in pre-market that I pulled back. So you basically neutralized your position when you bought what's called boxed it in by buying those shares pre-market. So it didn't matter when you sold either or. The net gain between them was neutralized, unless you bought more, like unless you bought 100 shares versus the delta of the options. I think that I don't remember what the delta was, maybe 80. So you probably only needed 80 shares. Oh, you only got 50. Okay, so you did get a little bit of that downside appreciation then, just not all of it. Maybe 40%. I think ERG has the most, URG has the most potential to return shorting in the uraniums. ERG, URG. I gotta adjust my orders. Some of them aren't getting filled. Well, you might love the long-term potential in Square, but you might want to wait a couple months for this market to bottom before you get in. Looks like CF is following through. You should probably double up on CF. And let me know if you show anything else following through, but that's what I show. Yeah, the 5-minute rule would have kept us in LMT until it turned around on Path of Victory. LMT 5-minute rule to Path of Victory would have kept us in, and we would have been right where we wanted to be. Remember the 5-minute rule, folks. Always let the 5-minute rule take play on options that gap open on you. So I'm telling myself that too. All right, finally got to fill on ADM. EQT. All right, finally hitting its trend line. All right, Ken is over 5% and off and running, and HDSN is now almost hitting 19%. So we're almost at profit target on that. Oh, it'll happen, Mac. but you just got to wait for a huge volume down there. That'll be the signal, because that'll be the signal that institutionals have started. They're waiting for better price to get their clients. Yeah, that's interesting. Let me take a look at that. Art W. Oh yeah, well that's already taken off. The time to get into that was on that recent earnings at around 370. All right, everybody on TikTok, we're going to continue the live stream with our members. If you'd like to come check out our trading group, just click the link in my profile in my bio. You have to leave this live. You have to click the profile photo of me here and then click the profile photo of me again, and that'll bring you over to my profile. You can click the link in my bio if you have any questions you want to ask me about my classes or the trading group or investing or trading. Just send me a private message on TikTok or on in our trading group. All right, see you guys later, and we're going to continue on now with our members with our member trading group. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow morning or over in the trading group. All right, the market is indicating down, but hasn't created 4 points to a downtrend yet. Let's take a look at Ken. Yeah, Ken's gapped opened up and is holding up there. HDSN, new high on HDSN. The run on pollution control company HDSN continues. Snow still dropping? Yes. It's probably going to drop till the end of time. Okay, PSA and Sedge not doing good. Hopefully those have been sized down. Okay, they're moving up on the day, so we just leave them where they're at. And then how about PSA? PSA, time to cut it, in my opinion. PSA. huge up candle on Tesla and coming in growth. Oil trending down and now hitting a low, recent low, 102.4. MULN with the breakout at 188. Did anybody catch it? That was for 10 cents. Risk at 188. Now it's at 210. All right, RJ got it. DOCU with the 5-minute ER opening range breakout or 10-minute. Now looks like it wants to move to the upside. So if you do take that, that's $3 of risk on DOCU for calls or long. All right, you guys out there on YouTube and Twitter and Twitch, we're continuing our stream now. With members in the trading group. If you'd like to come check out the trading group, the link is in the description. Thank you for tuning in this morning. I'll see you tomorrow morning or over in our trading group. See you soon.